Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Bank of Queensland. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop. On the search bar, search for boq.com.au. Once you land onto an interface like this, go to the Logon option here and tap on it. And from it, choose Logon to Internet Banking. Now you'll be taken to a separate tab, so scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on to continue. By tapping on it, you'll be directed to the login page for Bank of Queensland online banking account. But before we get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. And by the completion of the registration process, you will be provided with a customer access number and a set of password that you can log into your account with. So go to customer access number text field and enter the number. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. If you have been issued a user ID, then you can just go and tap onto the user ID text field and enter the number in here. Once you're done entering your login credentials, just go and tap onto the login option here. And by tapping on it, you'll have successfully logged into your online banking account on Bank of Queensland. So with all this information, I think you can log into your online banking account anytime you like. And this will wait for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.